Hi, Sam. Are you painting? Hold on to your paintbrush. Do you need some more red? Can you say red?
Yeah.
Little dip. Good boy. Okay. You gonna put some more red on your paper? Dot, dot, dot. Nice. Good job, Sam. Uh-oh. Oh, you. Uh-oh. Hi, Luke. How does blue paint taste? Ah! Here. Do you need your paintbrush back? Or are you all done? Are you all done, Luke? Luke? Is that your painting? Nice. Are you all done, Lukey? Is that alright? On the floor. That's okay. That's what craft time's all about. Did you have fun, Lukey? Were you painting? What are you doing? Are you painting? Can you put that on your paper? Dot, dot, dot. No, you. Eat! What are you doing? No eating it, Lukey. Yuck. All right. Ah! No, I think not. All right. Well, craft time today is over. Can you say bye-bye, Sam? Bye-bye. Lukey, can you say bye-bye? Do you like painting? Or is it a mess? Are you waving bye? Bye-bye. Oh. All right. Sam.